Hi there, this is Giuseppe. You are at Giuseppe Welding Store. I got some hinges to weld, and I got some new safety box. I got a bit messy on my bench, but soon it's gonna be cleaning up. Those are the other doors I'm going to put on, and this is what it's about. I'm going to weld these two hinges, and I show you how it will look the welder once it's been done. Alright, I'm ready. Right, here we go. Alright, this is it. Okay, there is nothing to say. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.